Welcome to Data Blending Product Tutorial. The Impetus Data Blending product is a proven cost-effective and low-risk solution to blend disparate enterprise data sources as well as streaming sources effortlessly. Easily and quickly set up a data moving plumbing pipeline with advanced rich analytics and data quality transformation libraries. Let's build a complex data pipeline consisting of disparate data sources. With the immense power of IDW data blending, seamlessly blend multiple data sources like Teradata, Oracle, Clickstream and more. Furthermore, transform the data and ingest into Hive for advanced analytics. Let's quickly see how to configure a repository. On clicking Repository, Data Source pane opens. Let's quickly see how to configure a data source. On clicking Data Source, the complete schema of the related database is populated in the adjacent pane. Search your table easily with any related keyword. Simply drag and drop the table onto the canvas. Filtering repository for Teradata. Now, taking customer address table from Teradata. There are numerous types of data quality enriching transformations that can be applied within the data pipeline to explore data in different dimensions. Apart from general transformations like SQL, join, map, filter, split and more, you have provision to apply HQL or ML algorithms related transformations like cleansing and standardization and more. Let's join Hive and Teradata table. Double-click to configure. Let's apply inner join. Quickly saving the configuration details. Let's now apply a mapping transformation. Double-click to configure. Quickly saving the configuration details. Let's apply HQL transformation post-join operation. Filtering for a Hdfs repository. Simply drag and drop the Hdfs data source to the canvas. Double-click to key in a HQL query. Clicking Save. Renaming the pipeline as required. Saving the pipeline. Publishing the pipeline. You can also choose to schedule your ready pipeline at a particular frequency on a particular time. Running the pipeline. Pipeline status changes to running. Viewing the pipeline. Search your pipeline easily. Furthermore, for failed pipelines, provision of recovering or cleaning it up is just a click away. The IDW data blending engine immediately comes into action and recovers the pipeline exactly from the point of failure. You can also edit the save pipeline with just a click. You can also see the pipeline history for reference. You can also undo or redo the pipeline steps easily. Thank you.